This brute is a 1948 Dodge Power Wagon pickup truck. Power wagons were big during World War II. It certainly was a go-anywhere type vehicle, four-wheel drive, flathead six-cylinder engine. This one is painted attractive gray and black. And there is the flathead 6. I see it has an alternator that has been added to it. These were so popular, it's kind of like the Jeep saga. There was a demand for them after the war, and Dodge made these Power Wagons available. This is the first pickup version of one that I've seen. Certainly made for stout duty and getting places where nobody else could get to. And the interior here is very Spartan. Nothing fancy. Notice that the windshield does maneuver out, kind of pivots out from the top. Turn signals. Evidently there is a for sale sign there, but I don't know, they didn't get a picture of the specifics on that. This was at the Florida School for the Deaf and Blind in St. Augustine some time ago. There's no mistaking that it's a Dodge. Of course, now they've thrown that out now and called Dodges Rams, which I don't quite understand. Dodge has a history. Of course, Ram was their ornament for Dodge, dating back to certainly back to the 40s and probably the 30s too. Nice pickup, nice bed here in the pickup. And spare is mounted along the side. Well, this is from the era of when a truck was really a truck. Don't expect a quiet engine running, and don't expect a smooth ride. And that was the ventilation there. That windshield opened pretty wide.